Well, Cosatu President Zingiswa Losi is lauding health workers as heroes. She was delivering her Workers' Day address, and this is the first time that a Workers' Day address is done without crowds of people at a rally. Now, the country is currently under a level 4 lockdown.
We pay special tribute to our brave and dedicated doctors, our nurses, our community and health carers, paramedics, allied health and social service workers, cleaners and morgue workers. They are facing an extraordinary task of taking care of the nation under extreme situations. These heroes and heroines are overworked and under-resourced in our overload health facilities. We indeed salute your courage and selflessness when it matters the most. The whole nation feels and is inspired by your devotion and sacrifice.
Well, now 26 years into democracy, and South Africans continue to live in poverty, inequality and exploitation. This is according to Cosatu President Zingiswa Losi.
We cannot be complacent in the fight against exploitation and corruption. When we deal with the triple challenges that are facing South Africans, as a federation, we welcome the leadership of President Ramaphosa and the Alliance for the decisive steps taken to contain the devastating effects of COVID-19. We are indeed saddened, though, by the extent to which it has exposed the fault lines of our post-apartheid reality and the legacy of persisting inequality, hunger and poverty in many communities, in the workplaces, in townships and in rural areas. Indeed, we must flatten the COVID-19 curve, as well as we must and should flatten the inequality, unemployment and poverty curves. In other words, comrades, we do not have the luxury of thinking in a linear way. We do not have only one crisis, but in fact we have multiple and simultaneous crises, central to which are mere survival and no income for most of our people. We have seen instances of corruption during this COVID-19, and as a federation, we acknowledge that COVID-19 has exposed the ugly reality of corruption, parasitism and rampant looting.